my latest find, Smith Corona. This is probably made in the 50s, I guess, or maybe the 40s, but I found it at the St. Vincent de Paul, thrift store in Dallas on Northwest Highway. But I picked it up yesterday for $34 or $37 after tax. But you can see I cleaned the inside with the water hose, took it out in the backyard and just shot it with the water hose, cleaned out all the gunk, put in a new ribbon, and then keys were sticking this morning, so I sprayed a little WD-40. Now it seems to be working pretty good. So I was thinking to put this one for sale in my shop, but I think I'm just gonna keep it. I've already got like 4 typewriters for sale, so works pretty good. The A key was sticking, and I just had to adjust a little metal bar right there. If you can see it, I had to pull it out a little bit to force the pin back, or the key. And then it helped that I sprayed WD-40 right there in that gear so it didn't get stuck. Also, the O key was sticking. Well, that seemed to have cleared up. Well, actually, this one here still needs work, I guess. See how it sticks? I guess you just have to hit it slowly. But this is my latest find, and I added to the collection. Smith Corona.